Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix your Acer laptop black screen but your power is actually on. Now the first thing you need to do is power reset your laptop, okay? And this is especially if there's a minor issue with the firmware or booting. Then what you do is you power reset your laptop, and the way this is done, you press the power button, okay, on your laptop and you hold it for at least 15 seconds. This will forcefully perform a soft reset on your Acer system and turn it off. And then afterwards, you just let go of the power button. You wait for a while, you press the power key again to turn it on. And then you can also go ahead and test the Acer laptop with an external monitor. So what you're doing here, you're checking whether the issue is with the screen or is it caused by a firmware problem. So if it actually works with an external monitor, that means the issue was with the screen. Okay, so just keep that in mind while you do this, and usually option number one should fix your issue. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.